Yes, my people, you don't know, say, Jamaica Lifestyle Blocks there and we're there upon the work again. And guess who come link with? So me gonna see who come link with. Because we don't know a one link in and a one team and we're there and we're gonna cook some food today. Me don't know where chef are gonna deal it today, but today, I know black side chef, people. It's another YouTuber, I know it gonna go, We don't soon see blacks, but just stay tuned. And we're gonna deal with the Jamaica lifestyle and with special guests there, so they know what gonna go on.
Well, go on, my peeps. They are again out here this morning. We are on Jamaica Lifestyle Blocks. I don't know, a fat eye this, fat Jack, Devon, Yeah, man. So we're there this morning, guys. So what we do, we at a location, so no way. I cook up some food. I make can link them still. Yes, me I say, cook up some food this morning. So we are cook right, and we don't know what we are cook yet, as they say. You understand? So put on a pot. Stay tuned, guys. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned.
Jamaica Vibez.
Yeah, man, Jamaica Vibez fully active, you see it? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Simple move.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. One in the pot already, you see it? One in the pot. Jamaica Lifestyle Blocks and Jamaica Vibez. This we are dealing with. Food there. You understand? Yeah, man.
Show
Food
that.
there.
Show that, yo. Yo, show that phone up there, sir. People don't look on that. We never have to run him down,
Tell them boy for the years, Sorry, Doc, tell them what years I have it for you.
I've only about 15 years, man.
Yeah, that my people, 15 years now,
So one of the things we should have end it now. Alright? We're not troubling people, we're not troubling cause
You live long
him have to
enough.
go down.
Touch him.
You know what the man a check, Mr. Crespo? Yo, but people him have to go down in our history. 15 years. Me don't know if a foul live so long still, but the dance say 15 years, so we have to respect that. But as you see, I end no in our place neither no people, you see me? No end no there.
Jamaica Vibez, yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Fully active, man. They are going to do something today, So you don't know, say, we have meat already now. We still want more still. You understand? Can't trouble me, Mr. Already fall. None at all. Yeah, guys, our next one again, See what I say? With the yellow crown. Yeah, man. The one you have to press for, you see it? Yeah, man. See, general there, say, what murder them in
When
the
you
ear,
get
yeah?
showed pan the wing.
You catch him?
Ah.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Now then, not cuss you.
Yeah, my people, you see that Jamaica Vibez are deep today, Coming can link up on the work side, And we have make things up. What you have to tell me, Dan?
Yeah, man. Fire for blaze now, so you don't know, say, yo. Put in the work, Remember, guys, Jamaica Lifestyle Blocks out here, with Jamaica Vibez, You don't know, so when you link up and match something, Yeah, man. Jamaica Vibez. First, bro, big up yourself. There, you see it? Nah, man.
So yeah, my people, see Dan there?
Yeah, man.
Fire stick we are looking.
You see it?
Jamaica Vibez.
Yeah, man, man. And you don't know, sir. Right pimento, this. Pimento. Yeah, man. So you know, say, yo, crazy fire them are dealing with now, guys. Yeah, man. See, they're solid as a rock. Right now, try a different thing. Oh, you see what I go on now. No, we do it already now. Jamaica Vibez and Jamaica Lifestyle Blocks outside today. Don't know. They're on the side, come check my friend them, you see it. So, bubble up pot in idea, you don't know. So, we not left this now, guys. We not left it. The video you not go normal today. Remember, say, you not go normal. Jamaica Vibez and Jamaica Lifestyle Blocks outside. Yes, guys, remember, so we out here this morning. And you don't know, say, me in a general them place, Jamaica Lifestyle Blocks and Jamaica Vibez Day this morning. And what we are doing, we are cook a bag of food, guys. Remember, say, I miss say, food for days. Look here. Look on the table. Look on the table. See, we got yam. See, we got carrot. See, we got thyme, scallion. Guys, you know what this? Enough people don't know this, you know. This name turmeric, aka curry ginger. Watch out. Look at the color. Look at that beautiful color, guys. This we call it turmeric curry ginger. We use it as curry. You understand? So we got seasoning, we got onion, we got tomato, got country pepper. Yeah, man. And we got, you don't know, say bass this, you know. Hot pepper this. Yeah, man. As we say, I always say food for days. See it here? Irish. Yeah. Watch it now. Dash in. So you know, say, yo, when Jamaica vibes are cooking, I know nothing normal, you know, guys. I know nothing normal. You see it? So right now, see the flour here already, you know. So I need up the flour now with the caramel knife. You see me, I say, press what they said we, you know, say, the original flour, man. You understand? So you don't know, the stay tuned now, guys, because this one is our banger, 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 banger. Yeah, man. Show out the flour, the cornmeal. Yeah. Got the plastic bag, you know. Nah, little no way. You understand? You see, so I put in like a salt, you know. Yeah, that's the salt. So right now, guys, need up the flour here, you know. Remember saying how we say no soft dumpling around here, you know. Yeah, man. Jamaica vibes out style. Outside. You know, so you can't train no with water one time, you know, guys. No, so you can't do that. See? Yeah, man. So you just touch it on a level first. So the body supposed to know to make flour. Yeah. Take your time, guys. You whip wily. Yeah, man. This is the end result, right, guys? See it? Original caramel flour. Yeah. Fold it in. See it there? Yeah, guys, you don't know, say, the big boss, them, man. Yeah, man, so heavy flour, guys. Heavy flour. Yeah. Press ball. You don't know, say, fat jack. Blocks there on the side. You don't know? Yeah, man. See, pot there bubble up, you know, guys. So you don't see me dropping the flour, you know. No? You understand? Yeah, man. Drop in the flour, them guys, car. Make them already and put them down. You see it? So them dumpling are so healthy dumpling now, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Tap some easy spice for them, you know, guys. You don't know, say, bird them the beginner, so. I roast, you are going to roast them, guys. You see? Yeah, man. The people. So, you don't know. You don't want no whole heap of seasoning for them, you understand? Just a little salt taste, we flavor it up, you know? So, right now, I now put them in a no whole heap of open flames, guys. Find out a nice place to put them. Alright, that's the best part. You see? So, I make them go on. You know? Yeah, God. Stay tuned, because the bird them there on fire. Food in a pot. The meat is next. You understand? Jamaica vibes, Jamaica lifestyle blacks. Bang. Yeah, guys, I wash off on cocoa leaf. You know this? Cocoa leaf. Yeah, man. So, I don't know when I have no oil. So, not because when I have no oil, I can't fry. Watch your style. These fat. You understand? So we have fry out these and get the oil we need. You understand? See it there. Remember, so we still eat this, you know? Yeah, man, this is the tail. Still eat that. You understand? Enough people like that, but we no business with them. So what we do, we fry up them fat here, guys. Fry up them fat here. Yeah. See one more tail. So we fry up them now. What I do, I season this. Because I don't want to season this, you know. When I season this, then I get the amount of oil you want. So I put this one side. Yeah. Fold it up. Put it one side. Yeah. So right now, what I'm going to do, guys, I season this. I use some easy spice. So I just eat a light season. I'm not eat a heavy season, right? Yeah, man, you don't know, so we got a Maggi season. You understand? I say Maggi need for sponsor, you know, that I think, you know. Only we are use Maggi season, and right now we're not even get a sponsor, you know, but you don't know. A good season them still. So use some Maggi. As I say, we now use the whole light one time. You understand? So right now, we are going to rest that, guys. So this now, we are going to flick this. Instead of getting on dirty, you understand? Yeah, man, so I make this go and sit a couple minutes, then we match up your side. So stay tuned for that, guys. Mad it.
Yeah, people. Jamaica vibes around the kitchen today, you see me? So we there itemize up a local shell and I go on shelf. Anything in here, man. You don't know, you know. Cooking I go on in here, say, you know, people say, today me just relax and do some work. So now we see me 1 and 2 times in the video, but that's it. Do master.
See, man, we are running place the people.
Do master.
Fully active, man, outside. You see it? Yeah, man, we're there upon the block. You don't know, so yo, food off it, eat. Yeah, man,
Alright.
press for the general.
Say no more.
Throwing in season now, no, guys. Yeah, man, I make them fully cook out, you see it?
Learn me, you know,
See, you see this? It's a turmeric, guys. You understand? Yeah, man. So the Irish tomato, everything in it. Yeah, man. Man, on the site with there. So you know, so no yard cooking, no pretty thing. Site, but yeah, what? Food of it clean. Right. So you know what we're going to do now, guys? Something we Nuff have never seen in Jamaica yet. Let's stay tuned. Yeah. Guys, you know, so we never see this yet. You know. This won't tell you now what them. Understand? I look couple more of them. Yeah, man. Yeah. Some creative dishes we are doing. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, I'm going to work with this, you know. Now go overdo it. Yeah, man. You know what this, guys? It's a turnip leaf. So what I do, I cut them up and put them in the pot. Different style. Invention. Yeah guys, so I don't know. Wash them off. You don't know, so they have to wash off. When I wash them off, there's some salt water. Yeah man. The salt cut certain kind of germs, you understand? So a pretty boy thing, you know. You see, as I say, food have to clean. Yeah, if you consume it, you don't know say right. You know I'm sick. Understand? So throw away the water here. Alright, I'm not even cut them up in a no plate or anything, you know? So guys, watch out now. As I said, it's a turnip leaf. So. Cut up the turnip leaf. You see it? What's the crisp about that style?
That style is unique, man. You know which channel is still already.
You ever see nobody do this in Jamaica crisp?
Unique. No. So me I say style unique, and you know we love to be what? Unique.
Jamaica lifestyle blacks would have said invention. I don't know, guys.
Say no more.
Stir it up.
To master.
God man. Look there.
Steam.
Steam a come out of the pot, guys. But so see it still. Yeah man. So this side come like a spinach, you see? Yeah man. So I make give that about one next 10 minutes. You see it? So take off it, land the pot and we'll say, yo, food for eat, food I go share. Yeah guys. Stay tuned, let's go and stay tuned. Prespo behind the camera, big up Prespo. Crespo. Always I call him Prespo guys, but you don't know him know how me attack. So you see it? Yeah man, so what we do now? Look at that guys. Tell me what you think about that. What you think about that? Yeah. So as I say, I want the meat cooking. So I make the meat cook. Yeah man. Guys, yo, we got a next style thing. Got a different, unique style to show on my paper. You see it? You see when you see them style? Una go remember on a granny, on a great granny, on a great. I'm not going to say a word now. I don't find that to know what we are doing. You understand me? Outside. Yeah. Now watch the nice background guys. As I said, Jamaica lifestyle blocks are work. And we're there on the site. Big up on yourself. Big up all of the supporters, subscriber. Yeah. Guys, thanks for the support outside. Can't even see now. Oh, you want gravy?
Can't take off.
Yeah, man. Food I share out now, you know? Yeah, man. See, they don't know some my plate, listen. Yeah. Let's put food over here, so I give him some more gravy. Yes, so guys, I eat that now, so I left in the pot there. You know, it's a second round. You understand? So guys, catch you when you eat some food. You understand? So, mine here, as I tell you, sample yam. Guys, some Chilean yam there, man. Yam and the normal, no? Right now, I put patty all about me. So, real thing. Yeah, man. Food are nice, crisp. You see it? Yeah, man. Some meat. Yeah. That's what it's scary on there. Guys, that tasty dumpling, you know? Yo, the pot is hot. So, dumpling this, guys. Yeah, man. Up, no joke. As I say, you know, turnip leaf. So, enough people don't really know about turnip leaf. Yeah. Stay tuned, guys.
People, how that?
Yeah, man. One blocks. I mash up the Jamaica Vibes food. Then pull up our foot, man. Give a thanks, man. So I say people. Then come a foot. And me I tell us the food. Bad no bongo jongo. Yeah?
Say no
joke.
more. Do massa.
Yeah, man. When the dog say more, please. Yeah, man, people. Murder me and murder this. I couldn't know how I go and look more. But the food bad, man, I like. And point me down. I load the rain, take it. Bad food. All the vegetarian down there so I can mash up some, you know. But him having vegetable, don't get it wrong, you know. Him having stew turnip, you see it, so. So people, big up on yourself, man. Remember, subscribe to both of the channel, them. Share it, like it, and everything. You see me? Yeah, man.
Yeah, me people, you see it, you know. The chef are going good, but the chef wicked to me. Look on food, people. Jamaica lifestyle, no blacks not deal with me, so blacks deal me think better, though. A joke, man, a 2 channel, Jamaica Vibes. Big up yourself, Jamaica lifestyle blacks. You know, we're there, you know, we beat up some food, and we say, you know, food for door. Eat, and you don't know what to eat already, so I want to check back and see if I can manage that one there, though. Because it tastes good, you know. Chef are going. I want to go over there and check out in channel and make sure you subscribe to, you know, not just watch it. Subscribe, because we're there on a mission and a 1K mission, a 2 channel there, and that's yes, we link up, so. Because we take it to YouTube, man. And we have the style and the flavor everybody want. Look on the food. So we say no more. Do massa.
Brother, every time you cook food, I can't move in it. You don't know what making it, brother. How you putting your flour there, my friend? Yo, as I tell you before, food slap. Now watch my laziness. I'm doing me a work, I'm tired, and then I go nyam. How much flour you give me? 3. Ah man, I not have to cap you off with 1-4, man. I can't work listen to them days, my friend. But Jamaica Vibes, big up yourself. You don't know. The people them not say nothing yet. I show they are busy and you don't know the thing. Go rain come down and take you. Meanwhile, but people, remember, subscribe to the Dan channel. Let's see it. Jamaica Vibez, Jamaica Vibes. Just go over there. People, as I say, we have 2 videos together now and we have many more coming. You see it? I don't know it go. But heart of love. You see what I say? You don't know we have to big up the top fans them as well. Uncle Steve, main sponsor, you don't know. You got no main sponsor, I'm a sponsor. You see it? So you don't know. Jamaica, Blacks Lifestyle TV. Wanna say a big thank you. Main fans, you don't know. How that name go again, Crespo?
Garfield, big up yourself.
Garfield, Simit. So sometimes it slip me too much name in a head. You see what I say? Yeah, Jamaica Vibes TV. You don't know where I go. You get what I say? And Mickey and Stretch big up on the damn self. Yard Vibes. You don't know we're on a young YouTuber campaign and we are link up with every young YouTuber. And don't know the thing going on. Laugh for the reward for that segment, your video, my friend. Big up the whole of the big YouTuber them as well. That's why I say Hidden Beauty, Junior Lifestyle. That's why I say when you don't know the thing going on, I'm a general talk. Nothing can change. You see it? So you don't know it go. So people for now, out.